All, welcome to my classroom. I am Reshma C, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adu. In the previous class, we dealt with some extra numericals in 6th module of CE202 Structural Analysis 1. In today's class, we are going to do some more numericals. In today's class, we are going to see the ILD for horizontal thrust in 3-hinged parabolic arch. So this is a 3-hinged parabolic arch hinged at A, B and C. There is a moving load 1 kilonewton which moves from left to the right. Now this 1 kilonewton is at a distance x meter from the left end, and we are considering the section at a distance z meter from the left end. To draw the ILD for horizontal thrust, first we have to find out VA and VB. For that, we know VA plus VB is equal to 1. On taking moment about A, that is 1 into x minus VB into L is equal to 0, from which we get VB as x by L. If we get VB, we can find out VA as 1 minus VB, that is 1 minus x by L. So by now, we got the value of VA and VB. Now, this moving load 1 kilonewton is moving from left to right. Suppose at this point, x is less than L by 2. That is, this moving load is within the left portion of the arch. In that case, bending moment at C is, moving load is to the left of C. In that case, bending moment at C is VB into L by 2 minus H into H is equal to 0, since moment about a hinge is 0. We know the value of VB, that is x by L into L by 2 minus H into H is equal to 0, from which we get the value of horizontal thrust as x by 2H. The load was in the left portion of arch. To the left, at the extreme end, value of x is 0. And at the other extreme end, the value of x is L by 2. So at x is equal to 0, h is 0. At x is equal to L by 2, h is L by 4h. That is, at this point, h is 0, and at this point, h is L by 4h. Now, suppose this 1 kilonewton has crossed the half portion. It is on the other side. When x greater than L by 2, that is, the unit load is greater than L by 2. It is on the other portion of arch, to the right portion. In that case, bending moment will be VA into L by 2 minus H into Y, or H into H. This 1 kilonewton is not there right now, it is on the other side. In that case, the bending moment is VA into L by 2 minus H into H is equal to 0, from which we get the value of H as L minus x by 2H. Now, this is the portion of arch where the load is moving at x is equal to L by 2, that is at this point, and at x is equal to L, that is at this point. So, at x is equal to L by 2, H is L minus L by 2 by 2H, which is L by 4H, and at x is equal to L, H is 0. So we got the value of H at x is equal to 0, x is equal to L by 2, x is equal to L by 2, and H is equal to L. Now we are going to plot the ILD. At x is equal to 0, H is 0. At x is equal to L by 2, H is L by 4H. At x is equal to L by 2, again H is L by 4H. And at x is equal to L, that is at the other point, H is 0. So this is the ILD. Join all the points. This is the ILD for horizontal thrust when a unit load moves from one end to the other. In the next class, we will see some additional numericals on ILD of bending moment in the case of a 3-hinged parabolic arch. Till then, thank you.